Hi everyone, this is Brad. It's a beautiful day here in Pennsylvania, so I wanted to do this outside. Sorry if it's a little bit dark, but I found this template the other day by Tammy Worcester, so you can see right down in here in the About section. She created this, and it is a very simple way to create QR codes easily using a Google Sheet. So let's go ahead in here and select Use Template. When you select the Use Template, it'll go ahead in, and it's basically like making a copy for yourself. So what you can do is go ahead into the QR code contents. Let's just put in ESPN. You can go ahead in here and enter a brief description or title if you want to do that. I'm not going to do that for right now, but you can see the QR codes created there. Now I'm going to type in Google just to show you what it looks like, google.com. And then I'll type in a little shameless plug here. Now, as you can see, the cells come down. You can see that all three of them are here. If you want some print instructions, you can go ahead and do that. You can see all the instructions of what you need to do, file, menu to print, and then select the area, fit the page, and choose portrait. Now, just to show you that this does work, I'm going to go ahead in, and I'll just use my phone here, and I'll use the camera to scan and just show you that the QR code does work. And it'll say open Google and Safari, and there it is, just using the QR code generator template right in there. So it's a great and simple way to create your templates. Thanks again to Tammy Worcester for creating this. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.